if you score at least 25 out of 50 on this English quiz. Your knowledge is excellent. Let's get started. Question number 1. What is the synonym of laugh? Answer D. Giggle. What is the synonym of skinny? Answer B. Thin. What is the synonym of silent? Answer C. Mute. What is the synonym of bleak? Answer B. Dreary. What is the antonym of dense? Answer A. Sparse. What is the opposite of gentle? Answer C. Harsh. What is the antonym of dull? Answer B. Sharp. What is the antonym of failure? Answer C. Success. What does control freak mean? Answer C. Controlling person. What does people person mean? Answer D. Social person. What does pull someone's leg mean? Answer D. To tease. What does rain on someone's parade mean? Answer B. Spoil plans. What is the plural of raincoat? Answer B. Raincoats. What is the plural of museum? Answer A. Museums. What is the plural of leaflet? Answer C. Leaflets. What is the plural of alley? Answer C. Alleys. What is the second form of spoil? Answer D. Spoiled. What is the second form of buy? Answer A. Bought. What is the second form of run? Answer C. Ran. What is the past tense of wake? Answer B. Woke. Which option is correct? Answer C. Finally. How is this word spelled? Answer A. Government. Which spelling is correct? Answer C. Imagine. I forgot Anna about the meeting. Answer A. I forgot to tell Anna about the meeting. This exercise is then the last one. Answer C. This exercise is easier than the last one. Let's talk this later. Answer D. Let's talk about this later. What is the synonym of begin? Answer B. Start. What is the synonym of thin? Answer C. Slim. What is the synonym of huge? Answer D. Enormous. What is the antonym of solid? Answer D. Liquid. What is the opposite of include? Answer B. Exclude. What is the opposite of apart? Answer B. Together. What does throw in the towel mean? Answer B. Give up. What does the last straw mean? Answer A. Final trigger. What does on cloud 9 mean? Answer D. Extremely happy. What is the plural of secretary? Answer A. Secretaries. What is the plural of lantern? Answer C. Lanterns. What is the plural of bath mat? Answer C. Bath mats. What is the plural of canyon? Answer D. Canyons. This book is different mine. Answer D. This book is different from mine. They insisted paying cash. Answer A. They insisted on paying cash. He apologized for getting. Answer B. He apologized for forgetting. What does ATM stand for? Answer A. Automated teller machine. What does MTV stand for? Answer B. Music television. What does LOL stand for? Answer C. Laughing out loud. What is the past tense of bring? Answer B. Brought. What is the past tense of sleep? Answer A. Slept. What is the past tense of find? Answer C. Found. Which spelling is correct? Answer C. Receive. Which option is correct? Answer A, colleague. Congratulations! You did a great job on this English quiz. Tell us in the comments how many correct answers out of 50 you got. Don't forget to subscribe and like so you don't miss out on interesting quizzes.